Introducing Dr. S.L. Young. Dr. S.L. Young understands confronting challenges to excel through his unrelenting determination, perseverance, and resilience. In the 10th grade, he was directed to leave high school after failing 6 of 7 classes and missing over 1/3 of the school year. While pursuing his undergraduate and multiple graduate degrees, he was placed on academic probation several times. Yet, years later, he delivered the commencement address in the same district in which he was directed to leave high school. In 2014, due to severe depression, he nearly ended his life. But 9 years after that fateful day, he defended his dissertation to become Dr. Young with a 4.0 GPA. These are the inspirational stories that students, teams, and groups need to hear. As an energetic and engaging speaker, Dr. Young provides audiences with insightful, uplifting, and personalized messages that make them believe that they can achieve successes too. Dr. Young is a dynamic, personable, and highly inspirational speaker who will cause your audiences to proclaim, "Yes, I can." Contact Dr. S.L. Young today. slyoung.com